checked into the Hilton LAX and this is our room. Hi! Over here to our left we have these fabulous doors that open up for coat hangers and iron board and iron.
I need to the right.
You do that. In here we have the toilet, fresh towels, moisture infusion facial bar. Okay. Ooh, all this stuff. Why don't they charge me for it? Hi. A lovely artwork. Behind this door we have a bathtub and a shower. Coming out again to that beautiful mirror. We've been on a 5-hour flight, people. Over here we have our 2 beds that we won't be sleeping in because we're only here for a day. Lovely artwork, lights, phone, TV, coffee maker, which if I drank coffee I'd be using.
I forget to get a drawing place.
Oh, a drawing place for Billy to do her artwork. And while she does her artwork, she can look in the mirror and reflect. Reflect, child.
No, right?
Reflect. Another phone. Oh, look at that. In-room dining. Guest services. Oh, she's drawing. Now, look at this. This I find funny. The Hilton is a little bit on the shabby side. Although we do have a good view. Look at the pool. But it's raining. Look at that.
Bugger.
Bugger. And then just over there is the airport. And you can see the airplanes taking off and landing. And that's the Hilton at the LAX. Say bye, Billy.